Hello everyone, my name is Bijuntus, but you can call me Bigu. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Humpty point, which is one of the most powerful and useful points in Euclidean geometry. Alright, now let's check out the Humpty point, which we will just call P. Okay, so here's the deal. This point is special because of these angle equalities. Angle PAB equals angle PBC and angle PAC equals angle PCB. Pretty cool, right? Whenever you spot these angle matches, you found the Humpty point. It's like the key that unlocks the triangle's secrets. So here's the first fact about Humpty point. Point P lies on AM, which is median of ABC triangle. And here's the second fact. Points A, E, P, H, D are concyclic. H is the orthocenter of ABC and D, E are feet of the altitudes. Okay. Here's the third fact. Lines D, E, P, H, C, B are concurrent at some point. I name I. So let I be the intersection point of D, E, P, H, and BC. Then intersection point of lines AI and circle ABC lies on circle AEPHD, which means point J lies on AI line and AEPHD circle and ABC circle. Okay, here's the fifth fact. Lines HP and AP are perpendicular, which means angle IPA equals 90 degrees. Okay, so here's the last fact about Humpty point. Points B, H, P, C are concyclic. H is the orthocenter of ABC triangle, as I mentioned. So if you see that orthocenter and median of triangle and feet of the altitudes, then my advice is just use Humpty point properties and these 6 facts. So maybe it's 7 facts. Here's the first one. Okay. Here's the practice problem. This problem is from IMO Shortlist 2017. You can solve this problem with Humpty point very easily. So I'll make a video about solution to this problem next time. Okay. Please share and subscribe and hit the like button. Goodbye.